Have you gone by the sea? I put my whole heart in it. Big white mountain.
Hey guys! So today I am gonna be doing a beauty haul because I posted a video last night about my everyday makeup routine. Turns out L'Oreal Cosmetics is not cruelty free and they test on animals, and I'm like, well, this is the only foundation that I have, so I have to go get more. So I went to Ulta and I went to Whole Foods, and turns out they have this huge sale at Whole Foods on all their stuff. So thank you to Patty Blake, by the way, telling me about the L'Oreal thing. I always thought that they were vegan because on their website they say we're 100% vegan and cruelty free and we don't condone testing on animals. Well, it turns out that's not true, L'Oreal, and you actually do, and you don't follow the guidelines to be a cruelty-free company, and I didn't know that, so that sucks. But I won't be buying their products anymore, and I would recommend to you guys not to buy them as well. On to the beauty haul. So, Whole Foods, like I said, had this humongous sale on, it's called their Mineral Fusion line. So I got some of their foundation because their company actually is cruelty free and it's vegan and never tested on animals. So I got this Mineral Fusion makeup. It's sheer tint foundation and it is, yeah, just my color, I guess. So I got this. I'm going to be using this from now on. And that's that. Okay, so all this Mineral Fusion stuff was 40% off. So these conditioners and shampoos were like $5. So if you have a Whole Foods near you, you might want to go there, get some. I never actually used any of this stuff, but it looks pretty legit. And it's all obviously vegan and cruelty free and gluten free and sulfate free and natural. So I got the fortifying line, the vibrant shine line, and the hair repair line because turns out the conditioner and shampoo that I was using was also by L'Oreal. So before I went to Whole Foods, I actually went to Ulta to pick up stuff, and I did end up buying a foundation from there, which I'm just going to return because I actually like this one better. And I got just a bunch of stuff that I needed because I really don't have that much makeup at this point, and the only colors and eyeshadow that I have are like brown, and that's it. It's like, how am I gonna do what I want to do with one color of eyeshadow? It's just not gonna happen. So I got a bunch of, I got this Eco Tools pencil brush, which is just for penciling in liner around your eyes, which I'm really excited about. And it has a little sharpener on the end. Eco Tools is an awesome brand. Everything's recycled, everything's cruelty free. It's not from animals, it's all synthetic brushes. I also got a bunch of lashes from Ardell because I'm obsessed with lashes. Then the rest of the stuff I got is from NYX. NYX is the coolest brand ever because it's really like professional quality makeup, and it's all cruelty free and it's awesome. So if you are shopping for makeup in the store, you want to look for this symbol. So it's the little bunny, and it just shows that it's cruelty free. It's also, this is recycled and awesome. So from the NYX line, I got 3 different eyeshadow duos, which these are pretty inexpensive. They're only like $10 a piece, and you get 9 different colors. That's like $1 a color. And then I got a lip stick. I also got a glam shadow stick in the color gold because I thought it was awesome. I got a black shimmer eyeliner and then this cool turquoise sparkly eyeliner as well. So that is what I got today, guys. And I think on all of this stuff, I only spent like $100, $120 on all this shampoo and conditioner. So 6 bottles, like 8 things of eyelashes, 3 things of eyeshadow, lipstick, this foundation. I got glue for my, or adhesive for my eyelashes. I got these. So it's not like I'm going out and spending like a gazillion dollars on stuff. This is all pretty inexpensive. And I really feel shitty about the L'Oreal thing. So I wanted to make this video just to show you guys, like, I read a lot of stuff on their website and like just trusted their webpage to obviously be telling the truth. So I'm just gonna go with my gut and go with all the stuff that I read, which I will put some links down below about L'Oreal, and not buy it for the time being because I'm not really sure, you know, if they are not cruelty free, how they stand on it. I know that they have a vegan line of hair care, but I mean, if you're really vegan and into cruelty free stuff and the company is testing on animals, it doesn't really matter if the line isn't, because you're buying that line of shampoo or conditioner or whatever. You're still contributing to the company that is doing animal testing. So you're not really doing anything in the way of cruelty freeness, because you're still basically paying a company to test on animals, just not for that specific line. Like, you know what I'm saying. So anyways, that's all I had today. I'm going to be doing a video on how to contour your face soon. But that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you soon.